You need to watch this if you think burping is always rude. Spoiler alert, it's not. Let's take a quick trip around the world of burps. In China, burping after a meal can be a sign of appreciation. It's like saying, thanks, that was delicious. Head over to India, and a big burp can show you're super satisfied. They might even give you a thumbs up. But hop on a plane to Japan, and things are a bit different. Burp there, and you might get some serious side-eye. It's all about being polite and neat. Then there's Germany, where burping's not really a thing. Instead, they say Prost, and clink glasses. And in the Middle East, a hearty burp can mean you really enjoyed the meal. So next time you burp, think about how it might be seen around the world. Who knew a simple burp could be so cultural? Keep it classy or not. There you have it, folks. Burping, it's a global thing.